एक आम इंजन और एक स्पोर्ट्स कार में क्या फर्क है?
आज हम एक्सपर्ट फिडा पर आपको उस फैक्ट्री के अंदर ले जाएंगे जहां दुनिया की सबसे फास्ट कार्स बनती हैं।
8 मिनट के इस सफर में आप हैरत अंगेज टेक्नोलॉजी देखेंगे। अगले 5 मिनट में आप वो देखेंगे जो पहले कभी नहीं देखा।
Inside the core assembly line, high-speed automated robotics in full sync.
Zero-tolerance calibration running continuously on every production line. Preparing the chassis for the structural integrity phase.
Handcrafted titanium pistons built to withstand extreme thermal pressures. Thermal testing loops reaching over 300 kilometers per hour thresholds.
Chapter 3: Painting Perfection. Automated multi-layer application.
7 layers of clear coat baked under high-intensity infrared arrays. Hand-stitched Italian leather interior, customized to perfection. Chapter 4: Quality Control and the Dyno Stress Test. High-pressure monsoon water testing to guarantee zero seal leaks. Chassis complete. Ready for the critical powertrain integration. Outro. The masterwork leaves the factory floor, ready for the open road.
अगर आपको ये इंजीनियरिंग पसंद आई तो एक्सपर्ट फिडा को सब्सक्राइब करें। अगली वीडियो आप किस चीज की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग पर देखना चाहते हैं, कमेंट में जरूर बताएं।
Chapter 5: Active Aerodynamic Elements. Installing computer-controlled rear wings. Wind tunnel testing to calibrate downforce at top speeds without adding extra drag.
High-pressure fuel lines and auxiliary cooling systems attached.
Initial dry crank test verifying internal timing alignment.
Heartbeat established. Powertrain installation complete. Chapter 7: Dynamic Adaptive Suspension. Tuning magnetic ride dampeners. Adjusting magnetic viscosity thousands of times per second for instant road response. ExpertFida analyzes the telemetry, keeping tires glued to the pavement under zero roll. Acoustic chamber tuning to craft the iconic, spine-tingling exhaust note. Chapter 9: Wiring harness and neural electronics. Laying kilometers of fiber optics. Interior cabin sealed. Acoustic soundproofing verified. ExpertFida, an African-American man, demonstrates the drive-by-wire calibration, eliminating mechanical lag.
Chapter 10: Wheel alignment and laser balancing. Mounting custom forged wheels. Laser sensors map rim tolerances down to the exact nanometer.
Chapter 11: Interior electronics installation. Floating digital cockpit screens. Custom audio speakers calibrated precisely for acoustic perfection inside the cabin. ExpertFida reviews the bespoke interior options available to hypercar buyers.
Paint depth measurement verifying clear coat consistency.
Simulating extreme desert heat over 50 degrees Celsius to verify cooling reliability.
The journey from raw materials to ultimate engineering masterpiece.